going to talk about a very sensitive topic: women representation in the parliament. In India, we have only 13% parliamentarians that are women. If this doesn't raise an eyebrow, probably this statistics will. Most of the parties, including mine, give just about 8 to 9% tickets to women. And you know why? Because they cite that the winnability of women candidates is much lower than that of the men. I also want to dig out statistics and prove that from 1957 till date, in all the elections fought till now, women candidates have won by greater margins whenever they have been given tickets. And this is data, and data never lies. But then where is the issue? Is it a governance issue? Is it a policy issue? In fact, worldwide, the United Nations has given data to support that only 24.3% women are represented across the globe in various parliaments. And yes, the population of women is 50%. So there are things that we need to do around having representations from women in the parliament houses of various countries. One of the things that needs to be done or needs to be addressed is the right skilling, whether women are available. Are there women who are getting ready to actually fight the electoral way? Are there women in the policy making decision sides? The answer perhaps is no. And that's one of the reasons why I think this world needs more and more women population to come out and understand that for women issues to be addressed, there needs to be a woman sitting at the table to address the issue. For women issues to be prioritized, it is important for women to be sitting at the decision of power and to take those decisions. But there are ways and means of doing what we want to do. And one of the most important things is to bring in skilling. The second most important things is to tweak policy and to ensure that more participation actually happens. And last but not the least, it's shameful that in 2019, when Change.org did a survey, safety of women was one of the topmost concerns for women in India, but it was the 52nd concern for men in India. And unfortunately, that is the difference when you don't have a voice where it actually matters. Think about it.